Yo, so check this out, right? So we just took that and feel it. So about to hit this McLaren dealership, you know. Only gonna be right that we touch it. Now that we made it in the town or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna pull up, see what they talking about. Just the browse and sight still live. You know what I'm thinking about cashing out on something. You know, I'm already riding around looking like I got my body go with. But yeah, man, we just made it to Philadelphia, man. We just touched down. Hopefully we're gonna have a pretty good time. Me and Mac, aka Thick Nasty. The big YouTube call out is tomorrow. So by the time you see this after the YouTube call out, because I'm gonna put the YouTube call out first, because I know a lot of people are expecting that. So I gotta go and get that out to the people.
Hey, you told them we riding the 1,000 horsepower V6. Challenge. It be fast.
Man, sit your ass down.
But yeah, like I said, headed up to the room. And we'll get back with y'all. Philadelphia, man. We stopped by for a split second, check out all the cars or whatever, man. friendly people. If you watch STREETSPEED717 videos, man, you'll see him. He comes in here quite often to check out a lot of these cars, though, man. But man, they are some of the best people in the world, because we were thinking they were gonna be like kind of like snobbish or whatever when we pulled up, seeing that we probably weren't gonna buy nothing. Of course, duh. But shout out to them, man. They really show some love, man, and support. So whenever y'all get a chance, man, if you're up in the Philadelphia area, slide through and check these guys out, man. Just stop by, just check out the cars or whatever. They ain't got to be nothing too major. But we about to get ready to get up out of here, man. We got to run to the room, and we'll get back with y'all when we get back on the road and touchdown. Yo, so what up? So we just left the mall, right? Well, one mall. We actually thought we was in the heart of Philadelphia. Couldn't find out. Somebody had our ass on the outskirts, so damn jackass. So we did there, we grabbed some cookies and some Cinnabons. We didn't grab nothing too much to eat, so now we're trying to find us a good cheesesteak. So from what we hear and what we understand, Chino's is supposed to be the best Philly cheesesteak. Dino?
Chino.
I thought it was Chino. Chino from Baltimore. You know, that's the little dirt bike dude with Meat Meal. You think Meat Meal anywhere around? But anywho, yo, we're about to try to get some cheesesteak. You know, I don't even really eat cheesesteak like this, so, but we in Philly, so it's on the right that we do it. You feel me? So we're gonna get that there, then after that, we still gotta check into the room. We ain't had a chance to do that there. We about to run off in Chino's. For the Gino. Anywho, all Chino, hell, it's all the damn same. Yeah, me shit. We'll get with y'all when we get in here, get us some damn,
Man, we ain't going to no Gino.
Where we going?
This is right here.
I thought you said you going to Gino.
We don't got no Gino. That dude said that this shit didn't take you.
What did he say about this one?
Hell, I don't know.
Why didn't you just skip to the last part of the damn video? Cause don't you think that would have been the best one?
Finna go through all that shit.
Matt, you stupid.
Yeah,
all right, man, we'll get with y'all.
Oh, they got chicken Philly.
I think this is the track meet of the week. That's what it's going to be. I think the Chiefs are going to, the Bengals defense is going to need to play in the fourth quarter, maybe a turnover.
So just stopped through, what's the name of that restaurant now? Grabbed us a little cheesesteak real quick, grabbed a little bit to eat. Then we're gonna try to slide through the hotel room and go check in or whatever, man. Philly for the most part is pretty much just laid back and just chill, really. Hell, try to find something to get into later on tonight. Then you know tomorrow is the big YouTube call out, man. We really excited about that. That'll really
About to get on this Volkswagen ass here, just on doing all that dumb shit up here.
Driving a damn 6-cylinder Challenger, man. But yeah. But you know it was on the right, man. We had to go get us a cheesesteak, man. If we in Philly, you got to eat one. Yeah, if you don't, you just ain't doing something right. So yeah, dog, we're headed over to the room right now, dog.
Damn, all this traffic, man.
Get up out of here. done.
I bet you not doing
Yeah, hell I did, but you could solve it. Yeah, yo, what up? So we've officially made it to the room. We're getting ready and getting prepared for in the morning. Right now, man, I'm going over a couple things and just scrolling to see anything to do in the Philly area as far as the night on the town.
Put them up.
But we're trying to get into bed kind of early tonight so we can get ready for that big call out in the morning. Like I said, I hope it'll be a wonderful event, man. It's a little chilly out tonight, but not too much. But man, we'll get back with y'all first thing in the morning. We'll get ready to get up and get out and head over there to the venue. You hear Matt big ass back down the phone. Shit. Like I said, man, getting ready to drop on y'all a lot of more footage when I get back home. I got some more grown footage coming also too. That'll be next week. If not next Sunday, we got another grown event I'll be at. So y'all look forward to that. But more than anything right now, man, we'll get out here and be with y'all first thing in the morning. Peace.